High gym memberships, cheap equipment that breaks, and clunky fitness machines make getting a solid cardio workout at home feel totally frustrating. I bought and tested 5 of the best affordable rowing machines on the market, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash on squeaky, unstable junk. After logging dozens of workout sessions, testing flywheel resistance, and tracking metric accuracy in my garage, here is what actually worked during my testing and which rower you should grab.
Product number 1, Sunny Health and Fitness Row and Ride Squat Assist Rower. When I first assembled the Sunny Health and Fitness Row and Ride Squat Assist, the heavy-duty steel frame felt surprisingly sturdy under my weight, and the padded handlebars offered a firm, comfortable grip. Adjusting the deep padded seat felt smooth, giving me plenty of support whether I was sitting down for rows or pressing into a squat motion. During my workout testing, the resistance bands provided a continuous tension that kept my glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders engaged through every single repetition. I noticed how the unique squat assist motion removed harsh joint pressure from my knees, while still giving my lower body a serious burn. My favorite part was how effortlessly the digital monitor tracked my time, rep counts, and calorie burn so I could pace my effort without stopping. When I finished my workout, the quick folding frame collapsed in seconds, letting me tuck it right into a closet out of the way. It is lightweight, compact, and super stable on hardwood floors without sliding around. If you want a unique, budget-friendly hybrid trainer that targets your glutes and legs alongside light cardio, this machine is an awesome pick. Product number 2, Yosuda Magnetic Rowing Machine. Unboxing the Yosuda Magnetic Rower, the thick alloy steel slide rail and matte black finish felt remarkably solid and well-engineered. Sitting on the molded ergonomic seat, it glided quietly along the track without any grimy friction or annoying squeaks. During my testing sessions, the magnetic resistance system delivered a whisper-quiet pull that allowed me to row early in the morning without waking anyone up. Twisting the tension knob through its resistance levels let me transition smoothly from light warm-up glides to intense leg-driven sprints. I noticed the oversized footplates gripped my sneakers securely, while the adjustable straps kept my feet locked in position through explosive leg drives. The built-in device holder sitting above the LCD console held my tablet at eye level, making it super easy to follow video workouts or stream shows while logging miles. Transport wheels built onto the front frame made rolling the unit across my rug completely effortless when setting up. If you live in an apartment and need a super quiet, reliable magnetic rower with great build quality, this Yosuda model is a fantastic deal. Product number 3, Sunny Health and Fitness Dual Rail Magnetic Rower. Holding the handlebar on the Sunny Health and Fitness Dual Rail Rower, the dual aluminum track design provided immediate stability that prevented any side-to-side wobble under heavy stroke pressure. When I buckled my feet into the textured pedals, the double rail system gave my seat an exceptionally smooth, linear gliding motion from catch to finish. During my endurance testing, the 16 levels of magnetic resistance offered precise incremental challenges that kept my heart rate right in the target zone. Connecting the machine to the SunnyFit app over Bluetooth gave me access to real-time performance tracking and virtual scenic water routes that made 20-minute cardio sessions fly by. I really appreciated the extra-long slide rail length, which accommodated full leg extension without hitting the end stoppers during fast-paced intervals. The padded handlebar felt easy on my palms, preventing hot spots and calluses during longer workouts. Storing it upright saved a massive amount of floor space in my home office when my workout ended. If you are a taller user or want enhanced stability from a dual-rail system without spending a fortune, this Sunny machine delivers incredible value. Product number 4, Mirich Magnetic Rowing Machine. When I gripped the ergonomic foam handle on the Mirich Magnetic Rower, the reinforced frame and dual slide rail setup felt extremely stable and ready for intense daily use. Sliding back and forth along the rail, the seat movement felt silky smooth, handling quick interval pushes with total balance.
During my testing, the magnetic flywheel provided 16 levels of silent resistance, making every pull feel fluid and consistent without sudden dead spots in the stroke. I loved using the integrated smart app compatibility. It auto-synced my split times, stroke rates, and burned calories directly to my phone, taking all the manual logging work off my plate. The wide cushioned seat supported my sitting posture comfortably during longer endurance rides without causing hip fatigue. I noticed the heavy-duty frame easily handled vigorous leg drives while staying planted firmly on my floor mat. The front transport wheels let me tip and roll the unit away effortlessly when my session was done. If you want a high-capacity, app-connected rower with dual-rail stability for smooth cardio, grab this Mirich rower.
Product number 5, Concept 2 Rowerg Indoor Rowing Machine. Lifting the front frame of the Concept 2 Rowerg, the commercial-grade aluminum rail and powder-coated steel frame immediately showed off gold standard engineering built to last decades. Sitting down on the contoured seat, the nickel-plated chain and flywheel produced that iconic, responsive air resistance that matches your effort instantly. Pull harder, and the resistance ramps up right along with you. During my high-intensity testing, the spiral damper allowed me to adjust airflow into the flywheel, dialing in the exact drag feel of an Olympic rowing shell on open water. The PM5 monitor gave me ultra-precise, gold-standard data for 500-meter splits, watts, and heart rate without any estimation errors. I noticed how the ergonomic handle and quick-adjust footrests kept my posture natural and comfortable through brutal 5K endurance rows. It separates cleanly into 2 parts without any tools, making upright storage or transport super quick. While it sits at a higher price point than basic budget options, its bulletproof durability and resale value make it an incredible long-term investment. If you want the gold standard commercial rower used by professional athletes worldwide, this Concept 2 is legendary. That wraps up my hands-on testing. Whether you need a compact squat assist trainer, a quiet apartment-friendly magnetic rower, or a commercial-grade air rower, one of these 5 options will help you crush your fitness goals. Check out the links down in the description below for current prices and discounts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.